Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to give a bonus on Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you really like the work that one of your contractors did. How do you actually give them a bonus for the work that they've done? So either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our Upwork account and then click on the messages in which the contractor that you're working with. Next, you can click on View Contract. And so from here, you're going to see all your milestones that you've already had with this individual. So you can see that I'm on milestone 5, which has already been activated and funded. Click on Review and Pay. So next, you're just going to reach a confirmation page that says Review and Pay, where you need to review the submission. So here in our example, Imam has already sent me a link in which I can review the work that they've done. And then the second option that you'll see is the Approve and Pay process. So the freelancer or contractor has already requested $50, and so you can edit this amount. Maybe you want to pay them $59 instead. And so because of this, you'll see a notification appear that the amount you entered is greater than the amount you have in escrow. Because of this, we'll release your escrow funds and change your billing method for the remainder. So this is one way to do it if you want to pay them more than the escrow amount. Another way to do it is that you could actually add a bonus here. So say if you want to give a $10 bonus, you could also do it that way as well, and then click on Pay Now. But that right there is how to give a bonus on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.